Welcome to Taylor Kitchen. I am Marianne Taylor of Taylor Kitchen, otherwise known as TKFoodie.com. I hope you've been following along. If not, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel at Taylor Kitchen 5226, or check out TKFoodie.com and make sure you sign up there so that you get the latest from us. We have all kinds of tips, tricks, and recipes for you. I have decades of experience in putting meals on the table in short order. Working a long day, having a long commute, or if you have a really busy family life and you're chauffeuring kids and you need to put dinner on the table in 20 minutes, check out TKFoodie.com. All of our recipes are quick. I have just a handful on there that take longer than 30 minutes for when you want a little bit more time in the kitchen, but speedy recipes that are nutritious and good for you. We have lots of ideas and everything has a slightly healthy spin. I consider myself a healthy person that loves cronuts and chocolate cake, so there you go. I hope you'll follow along, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel at Taylor Kitchen 5226, or check us out on TKFoodie.com. We're also on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, all of the other things. And so we want you to be a part of the Taylor Kitchen family. Hope to see you there.